Hello, today I'm driving from Germany, Nuremberg, to Czech Prague. This ride is 300 kilometers through beautiful landscapes, rich history and vibrant culture. Let's hit the road and explore together. Nuremberg is a city in the German state of Bavaria, located in southern Germany along the Pegnitz River. It is the second largest city in Bavaria after Munich. History. Founded in the Middle Ages, it became an important cultural and commercial center during the Holy Roman Empire. Famous for its well-preserved medieval old town, including the Nuremberg Castle, which overlooks the city. It was a key center for the German Renaissance and early printing. During World War II, it was heavily bombed but rebuilt afterward. Known worldwide for the Nuremberg trials, where Nazi war criminals were prosecuted after World War II. Culture and attractions. The city hosts the famous Nuremberg Christmas market, Christkindlesmarkt, one of the largest and oldest in Germany. It has many museums, such as the Germanisches National Museum, showcasing German art and culture. The Documentation Center. Nazi Party rally grounds provides insight into the Nazi era and War II history. Famous for its gingerbread, Lebkuchen, and Nuremberg sausages, Nürnberger Rostbratwürste. Albrecht Dürer, a famous German Renaissance artist, lived and worked here, and his house is now a museum. The city is known for toy manufacturing and hosts the world's largest toy fair, Spielwarenmesse. Gothic churches like St. Lorenz and St. Sebaldus are architectural highlights. Economy and modern life. Nuremberg is a major industrial and technological hub with companies in electronics, engineering, and automotive industries. It has a strong media and IT sector. The city has a vibrant university and student population. Siemens and other major firms have operations there. Transport, well connected by rail, road and air via Nuremberg Airport. The public transport system includes trams, buses, and regional trains. High-speed trains connect it to cities like Munich, Frankfurt, and Berlin. Population, around 520,000 people live in Nuremberg. Starting from Nuremberg, a city with deep historical roots in Bavaria, your journey to Prague is not just a drive, but a passage through centuries of European history and culture. Nuremberg itself was once a vital center of the Holy Roman Empire and played a key role in medieval trade and politics. As you leave the city, you pass through the scenic Franconian countryside, known for its rolling hills, dense forests, and charming small towns. The route eastward follows highways and regional roads that trace paths used for centuries by merchants, soldiers, and travelers. Parts of this journey cross through the Franconian Switzerland region, famous for its dramatic rock formations, caves, and castles perched on cliffs. This landscape reflects the natural beauty of Bavaria and invites stops to explore medieval ruins and local folklore. Driving further, you approach the border between Germany and the Czech Republic, a crossing point that today symbolizes the connection between two vibrant European cultures. This border area has seen major historical shifts, from the times of the Austro-Hungarian Empire to the changes after World War II and the fall of the Iron Curtain. The road from Nuremberg to Prague is about 300 kilometers and offers a blend of natural beauty, historical landmarks, and modern infrastructure. Highways are well maintained, making the drive comfortable and scenic. Along the way, travelers experience a gradual change in architecture, language, and culture, highlighting the rich tapestry of Central Europe. This trip is more than just distance. It's a journey through time, landscapes, and cultures connecting two important European cities. Prague is a historical city with Romanesque, Gothic, Renaissance and Baroque architecture. It was the capital of the Kingdom of Bohemia and residence of several Holy Roman emperors, most notably Charles IV, 1346 to 1378, and Rudolf II, R. 1575 to 1611. It was an important city to the Habsburg monarchy and Austria-Hungary. The city played major roles in the Bohemian and the Protestant Reformations, the 30 Years' War, and in 20th century history as the capital of Czechoslovakia between the World Wars and the post-war communist era. Prague is home to a number of cultural attractions, including Prague Castle, Charles Bridge, Old Town Square with the Prague Astronomical Clock, the Jewish Quarter, Petrin Hill and Vyšehrad. Since 1992, the historic centre of Prague has been included in the UNESCO list of World Heritage Sites. The city has more than 10 major museums, along with numerous theatres, galleries, cinemas and other historical exhibits. An extensive modern public transportation system connects the city. It is home to a wide range of public and private schools, including Charles University in Prague, the oldest university in Central Europe. Prague is classified as a Better Plus global city according to GRWC studies. In 2019, the Pixar Index ranked the city as 13th most livable city in the world. Its rich history makes it a popular tourist destination, and as of 2017, the city receives more than 8.5 million international visitors annually. In 2017, Prague was listed as the 5th most visited European city after London, Paris, Rome, and Istanbul. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning these cool facts about Nuremberg and Prague. Both cities have such rich history and amazing sights that make them truly special. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss out on more interesting content. Also, feel free to leave a comment below telling me which fact surprised you the most, or if you've ever visited either of these beautiful cities. I'd love to hear your stories. Until next time, take care and keep exploring.